Hypernym for bark, meow, roar. Is there a hypernym for animal noises like bark, meow, roar, etc.?
Wikipedia calls them animal sounds, or simply sounds, as in lion sounds include snarling, hissing, coughing, meowing, woofing, and roaring. Wikipedia. The Wikipedia article states that a majority of them are onomatopoeia equals not all of them are. Josh's suggestion cry has merit. The loud characteristic call of a bird or other animal, imagining their hoots to be the cry of some dangerous animal. She had spent nearly 2 terrified days on the run from her rescuers. The example clearly uses the word as a hypernym.
The technical term I have heard is vocalize, making a noise with their mouth. This applies to an owl's hooting, a cow's moo, and so on. This wouldn't cover crickets, I suppose, but then nor does cry.
Animal noises are onomatopoeic. Onomatopoeia, the formation of a word such as cuckoo, meow, honk, or boom, by imitation of a sound made by or associated with its referent a word so formed. Source: dictionary.com.
Another good word might be animal calls, but those are often what animals use to communicate with each other, such as bird calls. It may not include all animal vocalizations you intend it to cover.
Some professionals refer to the sounds an animal makes as vocalizations, perhaps to avoid the anthropomorphic terms pet owners and animal lovers tend to use. However, it's a bit stiff and fussy for most uses. For scholarly examples, see this URL.